Today is Saturday, May 20th, and we're going to look at the weekly S&P financial spider and develop a trading theme for the coming week. And the way we started off was we went to the one of our watch lists, one of the three watch lists, and we just entered, or you can copy and paste from an ASCII file, all of the S&P sector spiders. And then we went to our Trading Fives Oscillator Swing Trader page, and we have a weekly chart of the XLF in Heikin-Ashi format because trends are very easy to identify. And the first thing we do is just evaluate the chart. Every chart tells a story, and what story is this chart telling? And there's a couple things we're going to look at. One is just the general drift. The prices are going from the lower left to the upper right. That's bullish. We have the TO, the Trading Fives Oscillator, is above the zero line. That's bullish. And the momentum ribbon is trending upward. Right now it's a little flat, but it hasn't crossed to establish a higher term bearish trend. And we can see that we had the TSI, the True Strength Index, signaled a bearish crossover, and that was back here in March. So our general evaluation is that we have a bullish secular trend, but let's see what the weekly trading trend might be. And to do that, we're going to look at the last major swing, and it was bearish. We had a bearish reversal from an overbought condition in the unbalanced stochastic RSI. So we look for the first red bar, and we click right click on the price, and we get a sell signal level at 2460, and that was executed the following week when we had a lower low and a lower close below the 2460. And now that trading trend will continue until it's reversed. And let's see if it was reversed. We had a bullish reversal here, first green bar, and if we mark that price right there, that would be 2409. We can see that we did not get a higher high and a higher close. So even though there was a bullish reversal from an oversold zone, it did not reverse the trend. So the trading trend for XLF remains bearish. And the next thing we're going to do is just evaluate the current conditions. We've had a bearish reversal from an overbought condition in a bearish trading trend. So let's look for the continuation signal. And we had the bearish reversal. We look for the first red bar, which would be this bar here. We right click and we get a price level of 2343 is the signal price. And a continuation sell signal for XLF is triggered with a lower low and a close. Well, there's two ways to do this: either a close below the signal price or a close below the prior bar. And in this case, because the close for XLF for the week ending on the 19th was 23.35, and you can see that down in the left corner there, that we've had a continuation sell signal in XLF. And just a couple other things we can gather just from looking at the weekly chart. The traffic light is red. We only have a lower traffic light because there's nothing above the weekly in time. So the daily trading trend is down, and we have a TSI relative of 62, which means that the True Strength Index has been higher than this only 38% of the time and lower 62%. So just from that quick evaluation, we can see that there is some downside room for this to go. So what we've come up with just from those simple things that we've done, we've established that the long term, the secular trend for the XLF is bullish, but we are currently in a bearish counter trend, and we have just had, within the last couple weeks, a continuation signal for the bearish trading trend that did execute on the last weekly bar. So what we would do from here for our trading theme for the week, we would look at the sectors or the industries within the financial sector, and then drill down further into individual stocks. And we could then develop a theme, and we'd go to the daily and maybe the 2-hour charts from that point to evaluate actual trades. But using the tools in Swing Master Chartist, Option Master Chartist, you can evaluate and set up a theme fairly quickly, and it's simple, easy, and objective, and that was the goal when we started out. Well, I hope you found this useful.